Great news! You've received an email about your Apple Card. It says your titanium card is expiring soon. A replacement card will be shipped to you. Well, I've got it here already. In this video, I'll show you how to easily activate your new card and what to do with your old one. This return cardboard sleeve for storing your expired card if you choose to recycle it. It says insert your previous Apple Card here. We'll do that in a bit. Let's check out the fancy thick envelope. Inside, you'll find your new card. Just open it. To activate it, simply hold your iPhone here right under the card before pulling it out of the envelope. On your iPhone screen, you'll see an animation with an activate button at the bottom. Just press activate. And voila! Your card is ready. Tap continue at the bottom and you're all set. You can now pull out the card. The new card looks as sleek as ever. It's made of titanium with minimalistic design featuring a laser etched Apple logo and your name. For now, it's still a Goldman Sachs MasterCard. And here's my old card that I used once at a store. I can't remember which one. It's scratch-free except for some marks on the EMV ship from that single use. To recycle your old card, place it in the cardboard sleeve. It doesn't matter which way you face the card. Then seal envelope and drop it off with carrier on return label. It's a convenient way to ensure proper disposal and aligns with Apple's environmental efforts. This new card, it'll likely stay pristine just like the old one. I mainly use Apple Pay and Apple Wallet electronically, so I rarely need the physical card. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you'll join me for the next video.